Right, let's just have a little breather now. I'd just like to teach you a little party dance that you probably will do when you go social dancing. It can either be the rock jive or the rock barn dance. It's either called one or the other. So it starts facing partner, lady on the right, gent on the left. We're just going to dance side, close, side, tap, and side, close, side, tap, and gent on the right, lady on the left. Repeat it, and side, close, side, tap. Gentlemen, you now repeat that while the lady does an underarm turn to her right. So the girl's going to turn, the guy's going to do side, close, side, tap. And twirl your girl under, twirl your girl back. So let's take that from the beginning. Ready? And a 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, twirl your girls underneath the arm and back again. Now we're just going to walk down the room doing either 4 walks or walks and taps. So gent left, lady right, and 1 tap, 2 tap, 3 tap, 4 tap. Gentleman on the left, lady on the right. You're just going to dance your chassé, which is side, close, side, away from partner and clap at the end, and then side, close, side, back into your partner. Ready? And away from your partner and back again. And there we are, ready to start again. So, hey, that was really quick, wasn't it? Let's go right from the top with that. Ready? And a side, close, side, tap, side, close, girls. Twirl underarm and back again, walks. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, away from the partner and back again, 3, 4. Well done, that was really good.